Let us start the question number 5 of exercise 3.3. Presently we are doing exercise 3.3. We have already covered exercise 3.1 and 2. If you want, you can go to my playlist. You can find all the videos on the particular topic. So in question number 5, it is root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. This is equation number 1, and root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0 is equation number 2. So from equation number 1, we are shifting this root 3y in the right hand side. We want to get the value of x in terms of y. Okay, so root 2x is equal to minus root 3y, because if the root 3y is shifted in the right hand side, it will become negative. So what will be the value of x? X will be minus root 3y by root 2. This root 2 will be divided. And next step is place this value of x, which is minus root over 3 by root over 2y, in the second equation. So substitute the x of the second equation with this value. Okay, so in the second equation, it is root over 3x minus root over 8y is equal to 0, and substitute this value of x with this minus root over 3 by root over 2y. So it will be root 3 into minus root 3 by root 2y minus root over 8y is equal to 0. So root 3 into root 3, that is root over of 9. 3 into 3 is 9. So minus root over of 9y by root 2. Root 2 is here. So root 2 minus root over 8y is equal to 0. So the equation is now root over 9 minus root over 9y by root over 2 minus root over 8y is equal to 0. Here below this minus root over 8y, nothing is there, so we assume that 1 is here. Okay, so we take the LCM of root over 2, and here it is 1, it is root over 2, and it is minus root over 9y. Root 9 means 3, so it will be minus 3y by root 2 minus root 8y by 1 is equal to 0. So root 2 and 1, take the LCM of root 2 and 1, it will become root 2, and divide this root 2 by this root 2, you can get 1. 1 is multiplied with the 3y minus 3y, it will be minus 3y. And next is minus is here. Next divide these two number, root over 2 and 1, and you can get root over 2. So this root over 2 will be multiplied with the root over 8y. So root over 8y into root over 2 is equal to 0. So next minus 3y minus root over 8 and root over 2 is root over 16. So minus 3y minus root over 16y is equal to, this root 2 will be shifted in the right hand side and it will be multiplied with 0. So 0 into root over 2, that is 0. So 3y minus root over 16 means 4. So 3y minus 4y is equal to 0 into root 2 is equal to 0. So minus 7y is equal to 0. So the value of y will be 0 minus 0y minus 7, that is 0. You can place the value of y, that is 0, in either of the two equation, either in equation number 1 or equation number 2. I have placed this the value of y as 0 in the equation number 1, that is root over 2x plus root over 3y is equal to 0. So value of y is 0. So root 2x plus root over 3 into 0 is equal to 0. Root 3 into 0 is 0. So root over 2x is also 0, and x will be 0 by root over 2x, 0 by root over 2, that is 0. So the value of x and y both are 0.